Well, part 3 about retrograde Venus, yeah? Well, let's continue. Dear Scorpios, if you are Scorpio in ascendant or your rising sun, yeah, you will have dancing of Venus in your 10th house of horoscope. 10th house is your reputation, your status, your social position, your career, and your utmost important goals, and which way you are reaching these goals, what kind of achiever you are. This is 10th house of horoscope. It's a culmination point of the whole horoscope, you see. And if Venus in retrograde movement, yeah, going through your 10th house of horoscope, you will be reevaluating all these things. For example, are you happy about your career right now? Do I do your things? Are you accomplishing your mission in life? Yeah, maybe something might need to be changed here. So yes, within this period of time you might want to change something in your career plan. But also 10th house of horoscope, it's the house who are our authorities, who we respect and look at as authority in my life. So because this will be reevaluating period of time, yeah, you might actually look again, are these people still my authorities? Are they my people who I really respect and obedient and follow the instruction or whatsoever? You will be asking these questions again and again. Also, about your status and about your social position. It's about marriage as well. For example, if you are single right now, within this period of time, something might happen that you might think about, well, maybe it's time to change this. Maybe I want to get married again, or for the first time. Or if you were married, you will be reevaluating this exactly. So maybe you would want to get the answers on this question. Are you happy in marriage? Do you really want this marriage happening or whatsoever? What do you need to do about this is working for you? Or maybe you would want to get out at all, so your social status might be changing, okay? Or for example, if you were childless before, now you would think, come on, this is the time for me to have the status of parent, yeah? This is the time I'm going to think about this again. I want to be a parent. I want to have a child in my life. Anyway, this might be changing, okay? So career plans, authorities in your life, and status, but also your utmost important goals in life. You might be reevaluating this, yeah? For example, I was always trying to achieve this and this and this in my life, yeah? And now you are thinking, is it enough? I mean, when I'm gone, what exactly will be left after me, yeah? So now you will think about this, yeah? And this period of time will be utmost important for you because it's a culmination point of the whole horoscope. Well, my dear Sagittarius, if you're ascendant, if you're rising sun in Sagittarius, most probably this Venus dancing will be in your 9th house of horoscope. 9th house of horoscope, it's your ideological path, what you believe in, how you see the world is made actually, yeah, your system of values or whatsoever, yeah. Also your higher education, your guru, the people who are your teachers, I mean spiritual teachers in life. But also it's about traveling, it's reaching abroad, it's broadening your horizons, yeah. So very probably within this period of time you might want to, I don't know, maybe get master degree if you were graduate, yeah, or to learn some new subject or whatsoever. Maybe you would want to travel around the world, or to make a faraway traveling, or to reach. You would want to reach some people who you're contacting beforehand, and they are far away from you. Yeah, maybe you brought in different countries, and this time because it's retro, like coming back, these people might give you some news about them again, and you might restart this contact again, yeah. Well, but also 9th house, it's about guru, be the expert in something, yeah. You might want to be a guru at some sector, yeah, you might want to be looked as a teacher yourself, so you will be putting new knowledge in your head in order to get this level of guru, so you can advise other people, yeah. But also if something needs bureaucratic process to go through, yeah, some legal documents to be accomplished or whatever, this is the time to do this as well, because ninth house of horoscope is about legal stuff as well, yeah. Dear Capricorns, if you are in ascendant Capricorn, yeah, your dancing of Venus will be happening in your 8th house of horoscope, and this is sex, this is life and death situation, this is crisis, and this is money that you didn't earn. This is money of your partner, or money that you go through insurance, through some kind of, I don't know, loans, inheritance, etc., etc. Well, your Venus will push you to think about sexual relationship, meaning, because the 8th house of horoscope is sex, it's how you satisfied in this one. You will be revaluing again what exactly you want from sex. Is your partner giving you enough in this or what, yeah? So this is the time for you and your partner, just sit down and think and talk about this, yeah. Maybe someone is lacking something in this side of life, yeah. So this is the time to sit and talk, because everything is there, you can change, just to talk about it, just experiment, just put utmost attention to this side of your life. But also it's about power, it's about manipulating. Maybe you will ask yourself, do I feel that I'm manipulated, or are there people that I am manipulating, I am pushing, yeah? So these questions will be under scrutinizing, yeah. Also, you might want to learn some esoteric or occult sciences, yeah, maybe astropsychology, maybe hypnosis, who knows. And also you will be revising your probably budget, yeah. You will be thinking, hey, look, to use my partner's money, actually it might be really helpful. I know how I'm going to invest, and I will make good profit on this one. You will be thinking which money to attract. Maybe it will be from inheritance, loans, some investment, maybe your partner money or whatever, and you will be thinking about investment, how to invest wisely in order to get the utmost profit of this, yeah. Well, dear Aquariuses, if you ascendant in Aquarius, then your dancing of Venus will be in your 7th house of horoscope. 7th house of horoscope, it's your marriage, or it's your important partnership, meaning you will be revaluing this one. You will be asking yourself, am I happy with my partner? Am I happy with my husband? Do I love my partner? Does my partner love me enough? Do I really want this marriage? This is all will be happening, and this will be shaking you quite a lot. Please don't make drastic decisions. Don't jump off from your marriage if it's just retrograde period of time. Just sit down and think what you would want to change in order to put your relationship onto the next level, yeah. When Venus is going directly, then you might change something, but now try not to make drastic decisions. Yes, you will be pushed to do this, but try to sustain this temptation, yeah. But also any kind of business partnership, yeah, you might have a look again at your agreements, yeah. This is the time to check your agreements, all terms and conditions, because 7th house of horoscope, it's about our relationship, agreements, any kind of partnership. It can maybe business partnership, it may be some kind of, I don't know, you and your client, etc. Look again at your terms and conditions, at your contracts. And dear Pisces, your dancing Venus will be in 6th house of horoscope. You have to look again at your routine. You have to love your routine. So you have to have pleasure of everyday life and how you look after yourself. Do you have proper diet, I mean balanced diet, proper sleep, etc. So you have to look at this one. And also 6th house of horoscope, it's your work. So you will be revaluing yourself. Do I really love my work? Yeah. Do I really need